To order a new card through Hsbc, start by determining the reason for your request, whether it is a replacement for a lost or stolen card, or a new card due to an existing one being damaged. You can order a replacement card by logging into your online banking account or mobile banking app. If you are using the Hsbc online banking platform, navigate to the My Accounts section and select the account associated with the card you want to replace. Click on the Manage My Cards option and follow the prompts to request a replacement card. You will need to confirm your identity and provide a reason for the replacement. Alternatively, you can use the Hsbc mobile banking app to order a new card. Open the app, select the account associated with the card you want to replace, and tap on the Manage My Cards option. Follow the in-app instructions to request a replacement card. If you are unable to access online banking or the mobile app, you can contact Hsbc customer service directly to request a replacement card. You can call the phone number listed on the Hsbc website or visit a local branch in person. Be prepared to provide your account information and confirm your identity to verify your request. Once you have submitted your request, Hsbc will process your replacement card and mail it to the address on file. You can expect to receive your new card within 3 to 5 business days. It is essential to activate your new card as soon as you receive it to ensure uninterrupted access to your account. To activate your new card, call the phone number provided with your replacement card or use the Hsbc mobile banking app. You will need to provide your card details and confirm your identity to complete the activation process. After activating your new card, be sure to update any recurring payments or automatic transactions with your new card information. To avoid any disruptions, it is also a good idea to monitor your account activity closely after receiving your replacement card to ensure there are no unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious activity, contact Hsbc customer service immediately to report the issue and prevent further unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps, you can easily order a replacement card through Hsbc and minimize any disruption to your banking activities. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account.